Hello friends, welcome to the video tutorials of Object Oriented Programming. This is Rajul Suthar, Assistant Professor of Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, Bard, Gandhinagar. Previously we have discussed the various shape like 2D shape and we work with the classes related to the shape, circle as well as rectangle, ellipse. In this session we will discuss about the JavaFX events. So what do you mean by event? Event is nothing but one activity or occurrence. So here why we required event in GUI application, graphical user interface application, web application and graphical application. Whenever a user interact with the application like node, an event is said to be have occurred. Like we are working with the online shopping or we are adding the particular product into the cart, so that is called one event. Or we are deleting the a particular product from cart, that is also one event. So it nothing but the whenever user interact with application, that is called event. For example, clicking a button, moving the mouse, entering the characters through the keyboard, selecting an item from list, scrolling the page, that are activity. All activity is called event, cause event to happen. JavaFX provides support to handle a wide varieties of event. The class name event of a package event. This is a base class for a event. JavaFX provide a wide variety of events. Some of them are like mouse event. We all familiar with the event, like we are click particular to perform the particular action. We are just click the mouse button either left or right. Here class is mouse event. Action mouse click, mouse pause, mouse press, release, mouse move, mouse entered target or mouse exit target. These all are the event related to the or action related to the class mouse event. Key event, which are the key event? It indicate the keystroke occurred on a node. Like here the class is key event. So if we are pressing the key by using keyboard or we release the particular key release and key type, all are key event. Drag event, it's occur when mouse is dragged. Here the class drag event is used. Action, like we are dragging from one object to the another object. Drag the entered or drag drop, drag enter target as well as exit target, all are drag events. Fourth one is a window event. So it occur when the windows showing or hiding take place. This class is window event. We are performing the action like window hiding, window show, window hidden or window showing. Event handling, what do you mean by event handling? This is a mechanism that control the event and decide what should happen if the event occur. This mechanism has the code which is known as the event handler, that is executed when an events occur. JavaFX provide handler and filter to handle the particular events. JavaFX, every event has a target, source as well as its type. So what do you mean by target? Target is nothing but the node on which an event occurred. A target can be window or scene or a node. What is the source? Source from which event is generated will be source of an event. Type of a occurred event is, in case of mouse event, mouse press, mouse release, that are the types of events. Phase of event handling, target selection, route construction, event capturing phase, event, bubbling phase. So what is a target selection? Target selection means when an action occurred, the system determine which node is target based on the internal rules. Some of the rules will be verified, then target event will be occurred. Means we are focusing on particular action, that is called target event. Key event, it's covered the key event. Like a target is a node that has focus. We are pressing some key like A, B, C or D. That is the target. We can say by using the mouse event. So target is the node at location of a cursor. Whenever we click the particular action like left button or right button, so on the screen, whenever we press the right button, so property will be displayed, or we refresh the particular page by using F5 as well as right click, mouse click, and just click on refresh button. Same way we are rename the particular folder by clicking on the folder, double click the name where the folder is written, and we can rename. Same way by clicking F2 button to rename the particular folder. So this is the mouse event. Gesture events means target is the node at the center point of all touch at the beginning of gestures. Swipe events, the target is node at the center of entire path of all the finger. Touch events, the target of each touch point is node at the location first press. Route construction means whenever an event is generated, the default or initial route of event is determined by construction of a event dispatch chain. It is the path from the stage to source node. We are create the one path, that is called route construction. Event capturing phase. Event capturing means after the construction of an event dispatch chain, the root node of an application dispatch the particular event. This event travel to all the nodes in the dispatch chain from top to bottom. If any of this node has a filtered or registered for the generated events, it will be executed. If node of the node in dispatch chain has a filter for an event generated, then it is passed to the target node, and finally the target node process the particular event. What is the bubbling phase? Bubbling is nothing but same activity like bubble sort. In the event bubbling phase, the event is travel from target node to the stage node or bottom to top. If any of the node in the event dispatch, this chain handler register for the generated event, it will be executed. If a node of the node as the handler to handle particular event, then event reach the root node and finally process will be completed. What is the event handlers and filters? Event handlers, event filters, both are contain the application logic to process an event. A node can register to more than one handler as well as filter in case of parent and child nodes. You can provide the common filter or handler to parent, which is processed as default for all the child nodes. During the event capturing phase, a filter is executed, and during the event bubbling phase, a handler is executed. All the handlers and filters implement the interface that is called event handler of package javafx.event. Here let me discuss one example for handling the mouse event. For that we require import javafx.application event.event handler, because we are working with event javafx.scene.star javafx.scene.input mouse event. This is the most important while we are working with mouse event. javafx.stage.stage. This class name is a javafx sample. It extends application. Public static void main string argument as launch arguments override public void start stage. It is a primary stage. Group root is equal to new group. We are creating the scene is equal to new scene, and require the parameter like root, x and y value. Scene dot set on mouse click. So mouse handler event here fire for all. Then second, we are working with set on mouse drag, set mouse entered, exit, move, as well as press and release. All this event is mouse event. So remember this in example. This type of a question will be asked. Write down the mouse event or handling the mouse event by using one example. So you can use this example. Primary stage is nothing but a initial stage to generate the mouse event. So primary stage dot set scene, we generate the scene, or primary stage dot show method is required. Event handler, mouse event, mouse handler is equal to new event handler, and it override the public void handle mouse event. System.out.println mouse event dot get event type. We want to display the x and y, so x and y value will display. Mouse event dot get x value as well as mouse event dot get y value, and we display by using scene x and scene y. Same way, mouse event dot get scene x and get scene for y. How can we work with the key event? So same way, you have to enter javafx.scene input dot key event, scene.text font. We are working with the font as well as font height, public. Here the class name is a javafx sample, same class, or you can use the another class name. Then public void main, here the main class, and we require to launch argument. Then override public void start stage, primary stage is also here. Text is equal to new text is nothing but object. Text dot set x, we set the value of first text by 10 and value of y is 100. Text dot set font, here you can change your particular font or a user defined font. Here Vardhana font is used, font weight is bold, you can apply the bold, italic or regular, and posture is regular. We are using the size of this font is 50. Group root is equal to new group, text scene is equal to new scene. Primary stage is created here by using key press event. So here public void handle key event ke dot get code to string. Inner class or nested class. What do you mean by inner class? Whenever we are working with if, so if contain another if, same way here class contain another class, that is called inner class or nested class. Inner class are a class within the class. Inner class instance has a special relationship with the outer class. This special relationship give the inner class access to member of outer class as they are part of the outer class. Additionally, it can access all the member of outer class including the private data, members and method. Here the syntax for outer class. So you have to write the class name outer class, in between inner class. If you display the content of inner class, so name of a class is inner class. This is most important. You are creating the body, and inside the body you have mentioned the another class, that is called the inner class or nested class. Inner class, one example, class outer, we initialize the value outer x is equal to 100. and one more class is used inside the outer class, inner class, that use the method like void display method. Here system out dot println display outer x as well as outer. Here the outer value of outer x will be display. Void test method is required. Inner is equal to new inner. This method is used to display inner dot display. Here main method is used. So name of the class is inner class demo public static void main string argument as outer is equal to new outer, and we are just try to run the program. So outer dot test, this test method is here initialize outer dot test. Thank you for attending this session. Here unit 7 is completed. We will discuss the next unit in next video lecture.